Hello, this is Arnav Lahiri, and today I'll be talking to you about the fill handle on Microsoft Excel. For those who don't know what the fill handle is, it is this small square on the right hand corner of the cell. This feature is extremely useful. In this video, I'll be showing you how helpful the fill handle can be. First, I'll start with the basics. Suppose you want to make a list of numbers up to 20. It would take ages. However, using the fill handle, you'd only need to type 2 numbers in. By typing 1 and 2 and selecting these, you can use the fill handle to drag it down to 20 and it completes a list for you. To notice how this is done, you have to look at the sequences being made. In this case, adding 1 each time. Another example is making a times table grid. To make a times table grid would take quite a long time. However, using the fill handle, it is quick and efficient. All you have to do is type 4 numbers. Using these 4 numbers, you can use the fill handle and drag it down to 10, and then again to 10. This is a very efficient way of making a times table grid. To notice how this is done, you have to first look at the sequences being made here. For example, in this row it is adding 1 each time. In this row it is adding 2 each time. So the fill handle recognizes this and fills it in for you. Here you have a bunch of patterns in the columns. In this column you're adding 1 each time. In this column you're adding 3 each time, etc. The fill handle recognizes this as well and fills in the rest of the sequence for you. Now that we have learned how to make a times table grid and make a list efficiently, now I would like to talk a little bit about relative referencing. For those who don't know what relative referencing is, it is when you type a formula into a cell and then the fill handle automatically generates the formula needed to fill in the other cells. For example, here are a bunch of numbers. Now, if you'd like to make a formula to find out the sum of the numbers on the left, all you'd have to do is type equals and then select A1 and B1. Now you have the sum on the numbers of the left. However, if there are lots of numbers, you would not want to type equals B2 plus A2 and B3 plus A3, etc. So if you just use this and use the fill handle, you can drag it down and it automatically realizes that what you want to do is add the numbers on the left. For example, as you can see on the formula bar, it is A1 plus B1. However, on this one it's A2 plus B2, etc. So the fill handle is an extremely useful tool in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked it.